This afternoon we'll be looking at the second method of solving quadratic equation, which is completing the square method. Now, this completing the square method is a method that we use, in fact, in even deriving the formula method of solving quadratic equation. And the formula method of solving quadratic equation, got to know that is x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the general formula of solving quadratic equation. Now, this general method of solving quadratic equation was derived from completing the square method of solving quadratic equation. Okay, now how do we do that? Now, the general equation for quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now, if you are solving completely the square method, now the following method should be adhered to. Now, what's the first method? The first method is taking the constant to the other side. You have ax squared plus bx equal to what? 0. This c now you transfer to the other side. 0 minus c. Then you have ax squared plus bx equal to 0 minus c will give you what? Minus c. Now the second step now is divide all through by the coefficient of x squared. All through by the coefficient equal to minus c all over a. Okay? Now, after this step equal to minus c all over a. Okay? Now, after this step, half of the sum is now half of b all over a, which is the same thing as half of those steps all over a. So by the time you multiply them, 1 times b will give you b, all over 2 times a will give you 2a. That's b all over 2a. After that, you square whatever you got here. Okay, that's the next step. The next step is what? Square the results that you got here. And what result that you got here? That's b over 2a. Squaring it will give you b over 2a all of squared, which is the same thing as b squared all over what? By the time you do 2a squared, it will give you 4a squared. After that now, this thing that you got now, the answer that you got here now, you add this to both sides here. You add it here, at the same time, you add it here. So what will it now be? It will be x squared plus bx over a plus this one, you add it to this one, b over 2a, all of squared, which is equal to what? Which is equal to, you are following this equation, you have added this to the left hand side of the equation. Then you add this to the second hand side of the what equation. So b squared all over 4a squared. Factorize this. Factorize it, what do you have? You have x plus b all over 2a all of squared. Now, by the time you expand this particular one, okay, you got to see that it will give you the whole of it. That means the whole of this is equal to what? The whole of this. By the time you try to expand this one, it will still give you back this one, which is equal to, let's write this one first, which is what? B squared over 4a squared minus c over a. Okay, so that positive sign will be what? Will be here. Now, after this now, you can just go ahead and say x plus b over 2a all of squared equal to, now what's the LCM of this and this? 4a squared. 4a squared in 4a squared 1. 1 times b squared minus a in 4a squared, it will give you 4a, because a will cancel one of the 2a here, you have 4a. 4a times c as what? 4ac. And the next step now is what to do, have the square root to both sides, so that you can cancel this square. Square cancel square root. So at the end of the day, you have x plus b all over 2a equal to, anytime you do that square root here, you always put plus or minus. Okay, then you have b squared. Okay, you can even go ahead here now and split the square root. B squared minus what? 4ac all over what? Square root of what? 4a squared. Now what I did here is that I splitted the square root. I give the square root to the up and I give it to the what? To the down. So at the end of the day, I I can clean this side, okay? So now we cannot continue from there. Sorry, we are doing completely square that. So now the next step now is we have minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by square root of 4a square. So after this now, this particular one, take it to the other side. Then you have x to be equal to minus b all over 2a, then plus or minus square root of what? B square minus 4ac all over 2a. So you can go ahead and find the LCM of 2a and 2a to give you x to be equal to, what's the LCM? 2a. 2a into 2a, 1. 1 times minus b, plus or minus 2a into a, 1. 1 times the whole of this to give you the whole of it, which is b square minus 4 is all over 2a. Therefore, we have been able to prove the general formula of what? Of graphic equation using completely square method. Look at it. That is the formula. You see that it is still the same thing with this. So this is called, this method is called completing the square method.